back to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley and this is Interior.Break. So I'm so excited about part 2 because this is where you guys are going to really see the transformation inside of this space. So if you guys didn't watch part 1, I highly suggest you go watch part 1 so you can kind of understand where we're going with this space. So let's first talk about what we're working with. So here is the before of his living room. Now, I'm sure you guys noticed that we are basically starting from scratch, from zero. Like I mentioned in part 1, he literally has a computer desk and a couch. Now, I'm sure you guys noticed that this couch is very unique, very special, very interesting. It is 2 different couches. It's unique. I don't know what nice way to say this, but honestly, I don't like the couch. If I'm going to be so honest, I don't like the couch, but I think it would be very interesting to work with this couch. So I have a habit for rambling, so let's stop talking and get right into the video. Alright, so currently Joanna's just fixing up this shelf that she built. This is the design of the shelf. Obviously, this is not how we are styling it. It's just so that we can hold some weight so that it can dry pretty good. So I'm waiting for her to finish this. But while she's finishing this, we're gonna work with this side. The other day, I basically built this arch right here, this lamp arch. I'm gonna put a clip right here of me building this arch. And then I also got this at IKEA and I built this the other day. Here is a footage of me building it. Now, before we put these pieces together, look at my dog. Layla. Hi, Bubba.
Okay.
So before we put the table and the lamp where it needs to go, I want to first move around this room. So I basically want to move the couch away from the wall because there's no natural flow. It doesn't separate living room space from the office area, and it also feels like you just have this big empty space in your place and it's not bringing the cozy vibes. So everything on the wall like this is just not like working for me. I'm not a fan of this at all. So what I'm thinking of doing is moving the couch over here to create a pathway and then having this wall be his feature wall. So we're gonna see how that looks like by moving around the couch. Let me get my fit ass in here. Oh. 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 No, I'm independent. I don't need nobody. Now that I moved the couch, look how that like now creates a space, and now everything is not like stuck on the wall and you have a big empty space in the middle. You have more than enough room to walk. I just passed Joanna and I still had space without bumping her, you know, and then now everything is just not on one wall. His office can actually be a separate space without it feeling all congested. And yeah, so I'm really happy that we decided to put the couch on this back wall. Hi, boo-boo. Hello. I just need like a whole bunch of videos of Layla giving me dirty looks. I promise you guys, she's a really happy dog. She's just also really rude.
Like, I miss the times when you went to the interior.
I'm so sorry about the lighting, guys. He's going to be here tomorrow, and this was the only time I was able to come, and it is like almost 7 o'clock here, so the sun is going down. But we're gonna try our best to hurry up before the sun is completely out, so you guys can still get some really good lighting content. So now that that's here, I'm gonna move that lamp more towards the corner. I'm not even sure yet if I'm gonna keep it there because it's really tall and it might cover up the painting that we're gonna put here, but let's put it there for now and we'll see if it works or not. Okay, so from the living room, we have the office and then his balcony. And then right here, we have this empty wall that goes into the kitchen. Right here, we're gonna add a really tall mirror. Good job.
Record time. Record time. Yes, Layla. Yes. Alright, what's next?
All right. Now it's officially time for me to style. We gotta get everything out of it. Oh no, Nipsey.
Oh, Lord.
Nipsey's next. As I said, just put it in the middle and I'm gonna tell you this side, this side. Okay, so this is how I would do it. First, we have to make sure, are we happy with how the couch is lined up right now?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think there's enough room on this side
Mm-hmm.
to get through.
And there's way more than enough room on this side. Now we have to make sure this is even in the middle.
Is this where the palm's going?
No. Definitely not. It's gonna be dead in 2 seconds. We know it's already dead. Now, is this in use this?
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, you're like Rachel from Friends. If she wakes up and her coffee table is out of alignment by like an inch, she's like, who moved my living room?
Yep. I would know too. Okay, ready to put this up?
Yeah.
I don't know why you're sitting. Why is she sitting? Why is she sitting? Do you guys remember this video? Have you seen my plant video yet? I'm waiting. Have you seen it? Okay, so now for styling the shelf. As we know, he requested for a wall full of plants. We all know that plants cost a lot. And in this case, it actually took up about $300 of our budget, and it still seemed like we didn't have enough plants. So here is a tip when trying to fill your home with a lot of plants. Try to play with proportion and scale. And what I mean by that is get like really big plants and really small plants, tall plants, short plants, fluffy plants, skinny plants. And that's how you're gonna make it seem like there's more plants than there actually is. Here is the basket I was supposed to use in part 1, but I thought it would be so cute just to put it in this corner. Alright guys, so that is the end of part 2. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this makeover. There was definitely a lot of challenges. Definitely me learning a lot about myself and learning about a different type of style, because I have never, like I said in part 1, worked with doing a male's home.
Is the video over? Like, have you already done your reveal?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. Keep going.
Yeah, so I'm really happy the way it turned out, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope you guys enjoy these type of contents, and I would stick around for part 3 coming out, where I'm going to be doing his dining place, and that will be the end of Kevin's makeover. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Interior.Break, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I cut you off right when you were saying you've never done a male space.
Do I have to redo that now? All right, guys, so